always tell people not to do stupid shit, but we're gonna do it. Happy Saturday. You know what Saturday means? Another episode of Travel Guide Trav. Today, we're gonna go upriver. We're going straight to Pirates Cove. On the way back, we're gonna hit Topoc, the gorge, head to Copper Canyon, go back to Nautical, and hopefully run into something cool on the way. Here, got this ramp. Check this thing out. Backflip the boat. Join us for the most incredible weekend in Lake Havasu. Lather up, baby girl. These guys right here got this ramp. Check this thing out. Just kick it straight off. Woo! Yeah! Yeah. I I gave one of these kids the camera.
Cam, run it!
Hey, tell Tyler to put that in his mouth. He should, huh?
Hell yeah!
Right here. Backflip it? You're gonna send it? Alright, hey, I'm putting this shit in my mouth. Oh.
Yodi gang, faded than a hoe, faded than a hoe, faded than a hoe.
You're terrible. You're terrible.
You're terrible. I'm my mama. I'm my mama.
Alright. Alright. Hey, I'm going first though, really quick. Alright, man. Hey, she's going in.
Oh, no way you just put that in your mouth.
I did.
Camera in his mouth.
Perfect. He's gonna run it. This one's gonna be sick. Here he goes.
Alright, hey, we're about to send this bitch. Make sure she's filming.
Whoa!
Hey, Dan_bass fishing on Instagram. Look him up.
Is that the biggest you went all day?
Yeah.
Oh no, shit.
What up? Yeah, you just gotta connect again.
Hey, he's gonna double over the boat.
Hell yeah.
Hey, can I hop on the boat?
Is it lined up? Is the boat lined up?
Yeah,
Like right here?
Keep it right here.
I'll just jump over.
Hey.
They're gonna backflip the boat. Hell yeah.
Yeah, back up just a step.
Yeah, let me touch that thing.
Hey, you want
Yeah.
these?
Nah, I'm good, dude.
Send it from the parking lot, dude.
Hey, we get Cindy out here, bro. Hey, where you from?
Is it ready?
Yeah.
I live in town.
You live here?
Yeah.
It's ready.
All right. I always tell people not to do stupid shit, but we're gonna do it. Thank you, bro. What's your name, man? Hold it, you guys. Hey, you want to see it? Oh, he's done